Marcus Aurelius wrote more about self-discipline than almost any person in history, and every single morning, he failed at it. In his private journals, the Meditations, he wrote about lying in bed, warm under the blankets, telling himself it was fine to stay a little longer. He scolded himself for it. Then he did it again the next day. He was also taking an opium-based medicine for chronic pain that had followed him for years. He knew it was slowing him down. He wrote that down too. He never fixed it. He never resolved the gap between the man he wanted to be and the man who could not get out of bed. He just kept writing it down, honestly, without cleaning it up. And that is why the Meditations still feel alive after 2,000 years. Not because Marcus was perfect, but because he kept showing up to the page and telling the truth about his failures. Wisdom is easy to write. Honesty costs something. The question is not whether you will fall short of your ideals. The question is whether you will be honest enough to admit it.